Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from my Gigi Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng Delivers natin. And sa first time po namin panood sa aking YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Alright, so sa lahat ng gusto magpa-quote sa atin, every Wednesday, nasa Pampanga tayo, Robinsons, Pampanga. Wednesday, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So, mag-message lang po kayo so that ma-arrange natin na schedule para hindi po kayo magsabay-sabay, okay? And if you need a speaker for a seminar for students, teachers, parents, and companies in building, and if you want to enroll sa aking master class, yan, message ka lang din po, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, and sa mga gusto pala magpa-advertise ng business, so open po tayo, I can visit your place po. Okay, let me reveal the secret pattern of rich people or successful people. May pattern kasi sila eh. Hindi ko alam kung napagtutuunan mo sila ng pansin. Pero kasi yung mga millionaire, billionaire dito sa Pilipinas at sa ibang bansa. So pinapanood ko yung kanilang mga content, pinapanood ko yung vlog nila. I listen to their stories. I'm reading their stories. So para nakita ko lang may pattern pala siya. So, I don't know if you're aware of this, pero inaral ko sila na tinignan ko. Ay, gusto po, Pastor. So, inaral ko yung pattern. Ano meron sa mga successful people, rich people. So, tingnan natin. I wrote here 6 steps na yun na rin yung pattern nila that they are not telling you, pero eto yung ginagawa nila. Kaya, di ba makikita natin sila, they can travel, nakapag-travel sila, pero yung mayaman pa rin sila, di ba? They are enjoying life, they are not working every day, but they are getting richer, di ba? Yung ba nahalata yun? Bisan nasa terrace lang sila, nagpapahinga, o kaya naman nag-golf, di ba? Nag-golf sila, pero meron silang income, meron silang, mayaman sila. Meron nga akong kausap na isang guy. Alam niyo, nasa bahay siya, pero yung maraming dumarating na pera sa kanya. So, legal naman to. Legal naman yan, okay? Alright, so ano nga ba yung secret pattern ng rich people? Okay, so number one, okay? Para kayo mama. Pwede natin itong gayahin actually, kaya ako siya sinasabi, okay? Yayaman ka, maging successful ka, and yet you still have the luxury of time. Okay, meron ka pa rin time to travel, to be happy, and to do the things that you want in life. Okay, so alam ginagawa nila, number one, eto, una-una nilang ginagawa, they work first on their idea. So pag nagkakaisip sila ng idea nila, so yung una nilang ginagawa, nag-isip sila ng idea, and then after that, they work so hard on their ideas. Kung may naisip silang isang mapagkakitaan, isang negosyo, kahit maliit na idea, hindi nila pinapakawalan yan. Okay, hindi nila pinapakawalan, and they are working so hard on it for months. Siguro, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, basta. Pag may naisip sila, hindi nila pwedeng pakawalan yung idea na yan. Diba? So remember, ulit-ulit ko sinasabi na examples natin, Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, diba? Amazon, Amazon.com, si Jeff Bezos, diba? Airbnb, yung tatlong magkakaibigan. So, nag-focus talaga sila. They work so hard sa kanilang idea. Bisan hindi tayo, idea na lang, natatamad pa tayo, di ba? Bisan pag may naisip tayo idea, parang hindi naman ito mag-work. Alam mo sila, walang ganun sa kanila. Basta pag naisip nila, they want to do it, they will launch it, they will do it. Okay? So, second na ginagawa nila, after working on their idea, they train people to do other tasks. Okay? May kasama sila. So, they are training people. Ayan, sikreto ng mga mayayaman. They are training people. Maraming hindi nag-train eh. Kasi minsan baka na-insecure sila eh. Okay, natatakot sila. Pero, they are training people. So yun ang sikreto nila. Kaya yung ibang task, meron silang katulong. Ang tawag natin doon, leverage. It's hiring people that will do the hardest tasks. O yung pinakamahab, it requires more time. Madali pero mahaba siyang prosesong gawin. They hire people for that. They don't do that. Di ba? Pag komplikado na, sobrang hirap kasi mas madaling magbayad eh. Di ba? They are doing that. Ang tawag doon, leverage. Okay? So, pag meron silang idea, they work on it. Then second, ginagawa nila, they're training people para yung naiisip pa nila magawa, mas maganda, mas maayos, di ba? Remember Steve Jobs, di ba? Creative aspect siya eh. Di ba? He's not into too much technical. Di ba? Jack Ma, di ba? Not a technical person. Pero ang business, Alibaba.com, e-commerce, nakita nyo ba yung ano nun? Yung ano tawag dito? Yung irony. So, anong ginawa nila? They pay people. They train people. They hire people. Okay? Be willing to hire people. Alam nyo, bukas I'll be going to Manila. May sisimula kami sa project and I'll be hiring a person na kaya niyang gawin lahat ng naiisip namin ni Ma'am Joyce. So, hopefully, mag-ayos kami tomorrow. Okay? Third, na pattern nila. So, may idea, they train people, then they maintain it and keep improving. They continue to think. They continue to see anong aspetong dapat kong improve, ano pang aspetong dapat gawin. They continue to do that. Okay? So, hindi sila nag-i-stop. Kasi marami sa atin, kaya kumita tayo ng one time, okay na sa atin, stop na. Diba? Kumita tayo ng naka-commission tayo o naka-isang transaction tayo na maayos, we stop. Diba? Wala na. Hindi na natin ni-improve ang craft natin. Hindi na natin ni-improve ang ating business. So, wala na tayong ginagawang kakaiba. Which the successful people don't do. Ang successful people, okay, they maintain and improve it. So, they continue to think. Right? And number four, na pattern nila, okay? They hire more people. Ang dami nilang tao. Yung mga successful people, ang dami nilang, di ba meron nga silang mga may consultant sila, may social media manager, may marketing arm, everything. May kausap ako this week lang, sabi ko, you need marketing plan, you need marketing people, you need additional staff sa business mo. Okay, so you hire more people. Ang tawag pa rin dyan, leverage pa rin. Hire more people para mas maraming masakop yung scope ng naisip nila. Gusto nilang, they want to expand eh. If you want to expand, kailangan mag-hire ka talaga ng tao. Walang nag-expand na ikaw lang. Alright? So, kaya nga mag-hire tayo ng mga tao bukas. Okay? Number 5. Okay na, di ba? So, meron na silang idea. Okay? They work on it, they hire people, they improve it, and they hire more people so that, okay, ulitin ko, so that they can focus on another new idea. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Kaya, di ba, ang daming mayayaman? Like Manny Villar, the richest person in the Philippines. Real estate siya, di ba? So, pero ngayon, ang dami niya nang pinapasok na iba't ibang negosyo, di ba? May convenience store siya, I think. And other businesses. SM, di ba? Dati Shumart. So, ngayon, may mga real estate properties na rin. So, after nakita nila, okay na to, matagumpay na to, so, iisip ulit sila ng idea and they will repeat the same process. They will work hard on it, train people, improve it, then hire more people. That's the secret pattern. Kaya sila yung mayaman. So, pag okay na yan, established na sila, ano ginagawa nila? Nag-golf na lang sila. Di ba? May kita mo sila na naipag-meeting na lang, nag-travel. Di ba? They are enjoying life. Kasi meron na silang, may gumagawa na dapat nilang gawin eh. Bukod dun sa may means na sila, I mean, kaya nilang may budget sila to travel, may budget sila to do these things, to do some pleasures in life, di ba? So, kung doon sa may budget na sila, there are thousands of people that are working for them. Binabayaran yung time ng mga tao. Yun ang sikreto nila, kapatid. Kaya sila yumayaman ng masaya, may freedom sa time. Alam nyo, meron ako sa nakita na businessman. Malaki naman yung income niya. Kaya lang, sobrang busy niya eh. Parang di na natutulog eh. Sa YouTube yun eh. So, gusto ko sabihin sa kanya, why don't you hire people? Di ba, huwag kang manginain ko sa ibabayad mo sa tao. You hire people na taga-send, taga-lista. Di ba? Alam niyo, I have a group of people, hindi nga lang sila mga full-time or part-time. But I have a team that are working for me. Pag tinanong, Dok, magkano yung mga, ano nila, mga allowance, mga salary? So, you ask them, sabi, secret, diba? So, what I'm trying to say is you can hire people. You can hire people. Huwag tayong mahinahin doon sa babayad natin, diba? Kasi yung time na ikaw ang gumagawa nun, dapat ni-spend mo na lang thinking of new ideas. And that new idea will give you a bigger opportunity in life that will make you more successful and happier. Okay? Alright, so if you want to know more about this, gusto mo magpa-code sa akin, message ka lang. Okay? So, we'll schedule an online or personal coaching. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.